How to link bank account to Cash App. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily link up your bank accounts on Cash App. First off, you're going to have to open up your Cash App. And once you open it up, you can find your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. Once you tap on your profile picture, here you'll be able to see different options like personal, linked banks, and security down below. Tap on linked banks. And here you'll find all of your previously linked banks and credit cards. Now, if you want to link a credit card, tap on the second option, but if you want to link a bank account, however, for that you have to tap on the first option that says link bank. Tap on the plus icon, then it will show you this pop-up. You click on continue, and once you have done that, you should be able to select your bank. If you don't see it on your list after scrolling down, you could go to the search bar and then just search for your bank. Once you tap on your desired bank, tap on this login button. You are going to have to enter your login credentials for your bank. Then here it will ask you to manage and share Chase accounts or any other bank's account for that matter. Now just tap on next. Then you can see what Cash App wants you to know, that your account numbers will substitute these. So Cash App requires account and routing numbers to allow transaction from eligible checking and saving accounts. Now, in order to protect you from fraud, the Cash App teams, they will substitute your account numbers, and they work the same as your actual account number when they're used by authorized third parties. Now, if you tap on next, it will show you that your bank account will successfully be added. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.